Let's talk about a place that has fueled imaginations and inspired countless stories for decades, the Bermuda Triangle. This mysterious stretch of ocean marked by the points of Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico has become a legend in its own right, whispered about in sailors' tales and featured in books, movies, and documentaries. This patch of the Atlantic is infamous for tales of vanishing ships and planes, spinning compasses, and eerie disappearances. Over the years, hundreds of vessels and aircraft have reportedly gone missing here, leaving behind only questions and fragments of wreckage. The stories range from strange fogs and sudden storms, to bizarre electronic failures, and wild theories about aliens, time warps, and portals to other dimensions. Some say the triangle is a gateway to the unknown, a place where the laws of nature seem to bend. But what's really going on beneath those churning waves? Is there a scientific explanation for these mysteries? Or does something truly unexplainable lurk below the surface? The real intrigue isn't just the disappearances, it's the unknown. The ocean here is vast and largely unexplored, with depths that hold secrets we're only beginning to uncover. People have blamed everything from monstrous rogue waves and sudden storms, to powerful magnetic anomalies that can throw off navigation. Some explanations are grounded in science while others stretch the imagination, but the truth is often stranger than fiction. As explorers, we're not chasing ghosts or phantoms, we're searching for real answers hidden in the ocean's depths. Every dive, every expedition brings us closer to understanding what really happens in this enigmatic region. The ocean here is powerful and unpredictable, shaped by unique environmental forces, swift currents, shifting sands, and dramatic changes in weather that can catch even experienced sailors off guard. By studying its depths, we can uncover the real story behind the legend. Each layer of sediment, each rock formation, and each sunken relic tells a part of the tale. This journey is about trading myths for facts, and discovering what science reveals about this mysterious region. With every sample collected and every new piece of data, we peel back the layers of myth to reveal the truth. So, grab your gear. We're diving deep into the Bermuda Triangle, leaving legends behind as we search for real answers. The adventure is just beginning, and the ocean is waiting to share its secrets. We'll explore what technology is uncovered on the ocean floor, from lost ships to hidden geological features. Let's begin our descent and see what mysteries the Bermuda Triangle holds for us today. Before we dive in, let's pinpoint the Bermuda Triangle. It's not an official place on any map, but a loosely defined area drawn by storytellers. The triangle's points? Bermuda, Miami, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. Connect these, and you get a vast stretch of ocean, up to 1.5 million square miles. This isn't a forgotten corner, it's one of the world's busiest shipping lanes and flight paths. The Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current, cuts right through, making navigation tricky and dispersing wreckage quickly. The region's geography is a mix of deep trenches, shallow reefs, and strong currents. It's not a magical zone, but a challenging part of the Atlantic. Understanding this geography is key to unraveling the legend. The environment itself is a major player in the triangle's story. The location is a crucial piece of the puzzle. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle has grown over the years, fueled by stories that seem stranger than fiction, and mysteries that have never been fully explained. For decades, chilling disappearances have haunted this stretch of ocean, each one adding a new layer to its enigmatic reputation. One of the earliest and most baffling cases was the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship that vanished in 1918. With over 300 people on board, the ship disappeared without a single distress call, leaving behind no wreckage, no clues, and no answers. The fate of the Cyclops remains one of the greatest maritime mysteries in American history. Then, in 1945, came the infamous Flight 19, 5 Navy Avenger bombers on a routine training mission. The pilots reported malfunctioning compasses and disorientation before vanishing from radar. A rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared, compounding the tragedy and deepening the mystery. These incidents, among others, cemented the Triangle's reputation as a place where the ordinary rules of nature seemed to break down. Over the years, the list of missing ships and planes has only grown longer, with each new case adding to the legend. From the SS El Faro, lost in a devastating 2015 hurricane, to countless smaller vessels and private planes, the Triangle's mysteries span generations and technology. Each story, whether well-documented or whispered in rumor, adds to the sense of unease and wonder, fueling endless speculation and fear. But it's important to remember, the ocean is vast, unpredictable, and often unforgiving. Storms can appear out of nowhere, mechanical failures are not uncommon, and human error has always played a role in maritime disasters. Yet the real fascination lies in the unsolved cases, the ones that defy easy explanation and drive us to keep searching the depths for answers. These accounts are why we're still captivated by the Bermuda Triangle, and why explorers, scientists, and adventurers continue to probe its secrets. The legend persists, but so does our relentless quest for the truth, pushing the boundaries of technology and human courage. Every disappearance is another piece of the puzzle, a clue waiting to be uncovered by those brave enough to look. The search continues, blending the intrigue of history with the promise of modern exploration and discovery. What really happened to those lost ships and planes? That's the question that keeps us coming back, and the mystery we're determined to solve. For centuries, the Bermuda Triangle's seabed was a mystery, shrouded in darkness and speculation. Sailors and explorers could only imagine what lay beneath the waves, as the ocean floor remained hidden from human eyes. Today, thanks to cutting-edge technology, we can explore the ocean floor like never before. Sophisticated instruments and advanced research vessels have opened up a world that was once completely inaccessible. Sonar is our main tool, sending out powerful sound pulses that bounce off the seabed, allowing us to map its contours in remarkable detail. This technology helps us visualize the hidden landscape beneath the surface. High-resolution sonar reveals a dramatic world of underwater mountains, deep canyons, and vast plains, features that were once only guessed at, now brought vividly to life. When sonar detects something unusual or intriguing, we deploy remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs. These robotic explorers are sent down to investigate up close. Equipped with high-definition cameras, powerful lights, and specialized tools, these robotic subs let us see and interact with the deep ocean environment in real time, capturing images and samples from places humans can't reach. Pilots and scientists on the surface guide ROVs with precision, steering them to investigate shipwrecks, strange rock formations, or even signs of ancient life buried in the sediment. We also use autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs. Unlike ROVs, these robotic explorers can travel independently, mapping huge areas of the ocean floor on their own, collecting data over long distances and depths. Together, these tools, sonar, ROVs, and AUVs, have revolutionized our understanding of the Triangle's depths, revealing a world that is both beautiful and mysterious. We're no longer guessing or relying on legends, we're seeing the real landscape for the very first time in vivid detail, as it truly is. Sonar, ROVs, and AUVs are unlocking secrets that have been hidden for centuries, from lost shipwrecks to geological wonders and ancient mysteries. This technology is not just changing the way we explore, it's transforming what we're able to discover, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge further than ever before. The deep is no longer out of reach. With every new dive, we come closer to understanding the mysteries that have long eluded us beneath the waves. So, what have we found beneath the waves? The Bermuda Triangle's seabed is anything but flat. It's a world of dramatic landscapes. The Bermuda Rise is a massive underwater plateau, with Bermuda itself as its peak. Surrounding it are abyssal plains, vast, flat stretches punctuated by seamounts or underwater mountains. These features create isolated habitats and influence ocean currents. Moving south, the seabed drops off steeply at the edge of the continental shelf, carved by massive submarine canyons. This rugged terrain shapes the region's unpredictable waters. The varied topography helps explain many dangers once blamed on the supernatural. Mountains, canyons, and sudden drop-offs all play a role in the Triangle's reputation. Understanding this geology is key to demystifying the legend. The real story is written in the landscape itself. The Puerto Rico Trench is the Triangle's most awe-inspiring feature. It's the deepest point in the Atlantic, over 5 miles down. This trench marks a tectonic boundary, making the area prone to earthquakes and tsunamis. The pressure here is immense, and only the toughest submersibles can explore it. The trench's seismic activity could trigger methane gas eruptions, a scientific theory for sudden ship disappearances. A massive gas release could cause a ship to sink instantly, without warning. The trench is a reminder that natural forces, not the paranormal, shape the Triangle's mysteries. Is the Bermuda Triangle an underwater graveyard? Not exactly. While some wrecks have been found, the number isn't unusually high for such a busy region. Many famous ships and planes remain missing, lost in the vastness. Still, explorers have discovered Spanish treasure ships and modern wrecks like the SS El Faro. These finds reveal stories of hurricanes, mechanical failures, and human error, not supernatural forces. The El Faro's black box told a tragic tale of a ship caught in a hurricane, not a paranormal event. The search for legendary wrecks like the USS Cyclops continues, but the ocean's size and currents make it difficult. Each discovery adds to our understanding of the region's real dangers. The wrecks we've found tell a consistent story. Nature is the greatest threat. The legend lives on, but the evidence points to the power of the sea. After decades of research, is there any proof of strange forces in the Bermuda Triangle? Scientists say no. There's no evidence of mysterious energies or phenomena unique to this area. Magnetic anomalies? The triangle is actually one of the easiest places to navigate, with true north and magnetic north lining up. Methane gas eruptions? Possible, but there's no direct link to any disappearance. The real culprits are bad weather, strong currents, and heavy traffic. Hurricanes in the Gulf Stream create hazardous conditions. Most mysteries have logical explanations, often exaggerated by storytellers. The legend persists, but science has replaced myth with fact. The real mystery is why the legend endures. The Bermuda Triangle's legend is captivating, but science tells a different story. Modern exploration has revealed a world shaped by geology, oceanography, and history, not the supernatural. The seabed's mountains, plains, and trenches create a complex environment. Shipwrecks like the SS El Faro show that natural forces, not paranormal ones, are to blame. Each discovery brings us closer to the truth. The region remains fascinating, not for its myths, but for its real, awe-inspiring power. Understanding the triangle honors those lost by seeking real answers. The puzzle is being solved, one scientific breakthrough at a time. The mystery is evolving, from legend to a story of science and human endeavor. The greatest journey is the one that leads